Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to put tinsel in your hair. Let's get started. So there is three main kinds of hair tinsel. There is ones with beads, ones with tape-in kind of extensions, and just the plain ones, which is the ones I'm going to be doing today with a little bit of a twist. So what I'm going to be doing today is tying in the single strands of tinsel into my hair and securing them with some eyelash glue, but it's not just any eyelash glue. I'm going to be using the Ardell lash adhesive, but it's the one that makes your lashes stay on for like a few weeks and stuff. So this will make your extensions last way longer, but if you don't want to put any glue in your hair, you can just tie them in, and let me show you how to do that. So you're gonna take your ribbon and you're gonna fold it in half. And by ribbon, I mean this is kind of your piece of tinsel. And what you're gonna do is take your fingers like this, kind of like a chef's kiss, and put it through the loop, like so. And then open your fingers and catch that part below, kind of making like a little tie, just so you can create a loop. And then pull it through. And then we're gonna take it off the finger and catch it through the loops. So basically the premise of this is when you pull on the strings at the bottom, the knot will kind of tighten itself. So that's what we need for our hair. And then you're gonna part your hair. I would do like the under layers so the knots don't show at the top of your head. And then I would take a tiny strand of hair and then put your fingers on the hair, take your ribbon and tie it to your hair, like so. So then what you would do is take your tinsel and tie the knot together. Take your strand of hair and you would tie one piece of the ribbon with your hair as well and tighten it. Now you'd want to make sure to keep your knot very close to your scalp. So now that you kind of know how to do it, let me show you with the tinsel. I'm gonna start by brushing my hair and I'm going to tie the top part. Then I'm going to find the part where I want the tinsel to be and pick a color I want to use. Next, I'm going to take a piece of the tinsel and fold it in half. Make a loop like I showed you earlier. Pick a tiny strand of hair and pull it through the loop. I like to put the hair in my mouth to make this next part easier. Tie the two pieces of tinsel together. Then tie the tinsel and the strand of hair and pull tight. This is the part where you add the glue. I'm going to use this weird sculpting tool I had lying around, but you can use a toothpick or really anything you have. So I'm picking up a little bit of glue and applying it to the knot. To finish it off, I'm going to trim the ends to match the length of my hair. And that's how you do it. If you want to remove it, use any kind of oil to dissolve the glue and gently slide the tinsel off the hair. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and check out some of my other videos. I've got some nail tutorials and some mermaid videos, DIYs and that kind of stuff. So feel free to stick around for that, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!